Hi guys, welcome back to the final part of our quest. This is part 4 of 4 of the Ultimate Trading Plan. Plus you're going to get the Ultimate Trading Plan journal. But this section is now all about review. So this is the whole point of the trading plan. We started off, just a little bit of a recap here. Part number 1 was all about what do I want, why do I want it, to lock in the driving force to make sure we don't give up when we get some setbacks. You've got to be aware that problems are going to be coming down the track. You've got to be aware that you're going to have tough days. You've got to be aware that you're going to have emotional moments which are going to just set you on your ass and make you feel like giving up. Don't do that. Make sure we have the insurance up front. We know what we want. We know why we want it. We've checked in with a group of people that we spend our lives with to get some feedback as are these really what I want and why I want them, to make sure they are your insurance, they are your driving force. Day 2 or part 2, we looked at what is the how? How do we put all this thing together? What are the elements of this that we're missing out on? So by the way, some of the elements for day 2 you may not be aware of. That's okay. Put them in your comments. We'll give you some support coaching for free as a backup to help you with this. But then step 3, we said, now you've got the plan. How do we make sure we stick to the plan so we get the best benefit from the plan? And that's all about managing the monkey in the cage. It's about giving yourself a daily routine. That's about centering yourself first so you aren't in reaction, but you are responding. I have also picked the best why, well actually me and my team picked the best why over the last 3 days, and we're going to be announcing the winner of the first full year subscription to SmartCharts at the end of this video. So make sure you keep your eyes peeled and your ears ready for that. So let's get into this. What is part 4 really all about? And it's this: not going alone. Don't go alone. And what do I mean by don't going alone? Look, the best sports stars in the world have coaches. Coaches are different to trainers. So a trainer is somebody who just teaches you some stuff you didn't know. So a lot of the stuff I'm doing on the channel here is I'm teaching you things you might not know because of my experience. So you're just learning some things. But coaching and teaching are very different things. A trainer imparts knowledge. A coach gets you to a place called threshold. Now, what does that mean? Well, threshold is the place where all change occurs. In other words, when things get so painful, you decide, oh my God, I'm too fat, I now need to get to the gym. That's when you change it. Or you go, I'm in a terrible relationship, now's the time to get out. That's when you change. You change things, you take action when the pain builds up enough. That's the difference between training and coaching. A great coach is somebody that gets you to change your behavior. And that often comes from reviewing what you're doing. So if you don't do anything, there's little to review. And if you don't do things in an orderly way that can be tracked against a control, like a plan, then we really don't know where you are. We really can't coach you appropriately. So coaching is all about reviewing what you've done, knowing where you've come from, looking at what you've done consistent with what you plan to do, and asking yourself the question, where have things gone awry here? Great coaches help you build confidence. They help you build perspective, and they help you gain self-awareness of where you are so you can self-correct. A great coach helps implement a post-trade journaling system so you can really understand, okay, well, based on my plan and this is my results and my performance, where am I going off track here? And so I thought I would start today's session by showing you one of the tools that we use in SmartCharts to really help you understand yourself a bit better. So let me just jump to my SmartCharts screen here. And if you notice on the screen here, we're not in the Learn section. We're not in the charting section. We're not in the trade section. We're now in what we call the journaling section. And the journaling shows our trade performance across our trading account over time. Now you'll notice there are 4 icons in the top left-hand corner. And these allow you to identify, well, based on the strategy or the currency or over the time horizon, where am I successful, where am I not so successful? So you can see here on this account, for example, I take a look at strategy and I might decide to look at these bar charts. And this shows me which strategies I'm most successful with, which ones I aren't. So I might want to make a combination in my brain of, well, okay, so I start to notice and I compare to my plan that actually on the T-wave, the volume reversal, the 180 phase changer, these seem to be the strategies that I'm most successful with. So they're the ones I'm going to prioritize. Then I can move across to the currency symbol. Again, I prefer the bar chart, and I can see, well, which currencies do I trade more successfully? And interestingly enough here, you can see sterling, British pound against the US dollar, euro, yen, and dollar Swiss. I've also got some other currencies down here as well as I've got a couple of stock indices. It shows me where I'm having most success. And that's critically important. So I get a real understanding of when I'm doing well, when I'm not doing so well. Days of the week I'm doing best at. It shows me that Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, but big moves on Friday for me because I'm using a certain strategy that you aren't probably using out there. I can use what months of the year I'm most successful. We can see here that I've got January, September, October, and December have been successful months of the year for this particular trading year. And hours of the day, unsurprisingly, it is that morning session and then moving into when the US comes in the afternoon. So I can start to see, is this really matching my trading plan? I seem to be more successful with these currencies. Click. Let me just show you. I seem to be more successful with these particular strategies. Click. I can then compare the winners versus the losers. I can then look at this quite closely and show, okay, Greg, there are certain strategies I'm successful with. There are other ones I'm not. So it really helps me understand as a start off to the review and self-support and self-coaching of myself, how well I'm doing. And this is really going to help me to understand, is my trading plan working? And that's exactly where I want you guys to be. So repetition really is the mother of all skill, and breaking the rules of your trading plan actually does render it completely useless. So you're going to expect that mistakes will happen and losses are going to be part of your winning plan. But risk management really is the answer to deal with those losses, and consistency and following through your plan is going to be most important. Now, if you fail to plan effectively, you really are planning to fail. No matter how good that trading plan is, it won't work if you don't follow it and you don't update it following a review session. Now, the plan really is the process. The results are the feedback from that plan, and the feedback is only useful if that plan is followed to the T. So having someone who can hold you accountable to your plan is crucially important. Losing a little bit is part of your plan, but your risk management really is all about protecting you so you don't wipe yourself out. The plan, therefore, is the process, and by execute on the plan and getting a review from that is the only way to move yourself forward. So I want to thank you all for your contents, your comments, should I say, and your participation. It's been an incredible journey doing this quest. I hope you guys have really enjoyed it. It's been great having your feedback over the last 4 days. Now, of course, the moment you've been waiting for, and this is the moment that my team and I have kind of mulled over, but decided we thought that the best, and I mean the best why, as to why they should, or what their strongest why for their trading plan is, well, here it is. 1, 2, 3, boom! That is our winner. So congratulations to you. Thank you so much for submitting that why. Please comment your email address on this video on part 4 within 7 days to confirm your prize. Obviously, we don't know your email address, so please make sure you do that. You'll get an email of details, how to log in, how to claim your prize. Don't worry, because of the comment filters we have in place, if your comment with your email address is only visible to yourself, and it will be to our YouTube team. So you're not going to be putting it out there for the world to see. As soon as it comes across, our YouTube channel, of course, is moderated. So just please make sure you put your email address in, of course, because we don't know your physical email address. We want to make sure we get it off to you. Thank you so much for submitting such a fantastic why. Now, also, for everybody else on here, the other big part that I've been promising you, of course, is the trading plan itself. And you'll find the trade journaling section. Now, the trade journaling section, I just want to make sure I bring up to your attention, it's something you print off daily. So you'll notice it has successes on one side and your trading on the other. So it's a morning, midday, afternoon, evening review. It sets you up for the morning, where you go through my trading mantra for the day is, and you go through that. You based on my trading plan today, I will know my today is a success if I do that. So it's like it's setting you up to ask yourself a series of questions, prompting you to set yourself up for the day. Seeing a problem in your mind's eye before it happens is 10 times stronger than actually dealing with it in the moment. And then towards the end of the plan, we have an evening reflection part. So if you look in the comments of this video, of this quest, you are now on day 4, you're going to see yourself a link to grab access to the template itself. So you click on that link and you get access to that. You'll also get access to have some assistance with filling out that trading plan and with helping you understanding your trading personality profile as part of that. So what we've done is we're going to give you access to speak to one of my trader coaches to help you with that. If you have further questions, I did say on day 1 and day 2, there's certain fields like I don't know what currencies to trade, I don't know what my risk profile should be, I don't know how much money I should put in the account. If you're having those kind of questions, We've set it up where you download the template for you to get access to a coach so you can access and get some help getting this all together. So listen, I hope you've really enjoyed this quest, guys. It's been my absolute pleasure with me and my team putting this together. It's been a 4-part series. We're going to repeat this again. If you loved it, please hit like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please get yourself on the subscription list. We intend on doing more quests, more 4-part series, and then giving you the tool at the end. If you go to the comments, the description field of this video, you'll see that link that you can click to download and grab that trading plan, which you can now fill out as well as you can your trading journal. Congratulations again for the best why of the session. We really appreciated you guys putting all your whys down. It was kind of a close one thing. Any comments or questions you have, please put them in. My team will jump onto them. But until then, I'm just wishing you all the best in this crazy lockdown period. And now you have access to the ultimate trading plan from me to you with my blessing. Take care.